so today I have another DIY for you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing this DIY, just keep on watching. Alright, I'll be going in with my fine glitter and my pot mixture. So the reason I have spray painted this is because I do not want it to be so translucent. I want this to look like you can't see through the glass. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now. So guys, that is it for today. That's all I have. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.